Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install your DJI Osmo Action 6 onto the expandable rod. As you can see, this is the rod and it expands quite a lot. It gets pretty long, and well, as you can see, it is really long. And if you'd like to attach your DJI onto it, it is going to be pretty easy. First, you need to take this part, this attachment that comes included, and plug it on just until it clicks, until it firmly attaches. Then put it in like that, right? And now use the screw to screw it in. Okay. Now let's screw it in, but not quite fully. Then you can adjust the angle that you would like to use. I actually would prefer it the other way around. I'll tell you why in just a little second. Because if I want to record myself, I would put it on like that. Because as you can see, this part here comes towards one side. So it will just be further away from the stick. A little bit, but well, noticeable difference. It will be farther away from the stick, which will result in it being just closer. I mean, yeah, like just not the camera won't see the stick. So now we can adjust the angle. Let's screw it on fully and let's extend it. And now you can use it all to record anything that you'd like to see. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.